Welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video I am going to be doing this makeup look. It is a really quick, easy, but with a little bit of a pop of color. I thought would be fun for spring since it's finally spring. If you would like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dip into this light blue powder with a small angle brush. I go on the inner membrane right in here. This is not tested for this area, so you must do it at your own risk. But I don't have very sensitive eyes, so I put the shadow in here, and that means I also have shadows, and I also can use it for liner, so get the more bang for my buck. But do it at your own risk. And I find that even if you put a liner down first, like something that is tested for that area, and then just kind of set it, that might make it a little bit easier if you do have sensitive eyes. Or just find an eyeliner that is tested for that area and that you can put in your inner membrane. But I don't have sensitive eyes, so I just use powder. So once I've rimmed the membrane, I'm going to just go in the center here and pull down gently so that I'm just kind of making a panel of color right there. And the more that you pack on, the longer it's going to last and the brighter it's going to be. Now I'm going to take, this is Costa Riche by MAC. This is like a warm chocolatey brown pencil. I love this pencil. And I'm just going to put it on the inner corner, not inside, but right under the lashes. Go around the blue, up and out. It can be sloppy because you're gonna smudge it out. Do the same thing on the top. Just in the outer corner, pull that out, and then right on the inner corner too. All my brushes that I'm using, and the palette is by Prados Beauty. Love this company, and their products are amazing. It's woman-owned and it's Native American. Then with a fluffier brush, still a little firm, nothing on the brush, I'm just using it to smoke it out. By doing just like little circles, I pull it out pretty far. Same thing, inner corner. There you go. I already did all my foundation. There's other videos that I have that you can take a look where I go step by step, but this is mainly just about the eyes and lips. KKW Beauty. I just go slightly outside of my lip line and then gently smudge with my finger. That way you have blurred edges. This is Duet by Danessa Myricks. Love her products. I'm going to use this just with my finger. And where I didn't put the liner, I'm just applying it to the lid. You don't want to go too far up because if your lashes are longer and you're wearing mascara, that'll transfer. So try to keep it close to the lid area. That same product, I apply it to the higher. I use it as a highlighter. Just press that to the higher parts of the cheek. Also really beautiful on the lips. So if you don't want something that's like way too glossy, almost like a lipstick, like a cream lipstick texture, but clear, this is so beautiful. It's such an amazing product. I love all of her products. Then you just do your mascara. And then on the bottom, I'm just applying mascara on the inner lashes and outer lashes because I want this panel to stay really bright. There you have it. It's just a super simple, easy, quick, but like a statement makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, bye.